How to make desktop widgets clear on your Mac. So all you need to do is to open your system settings. We want to click on the Apple logo in left upper corner area. Click on system settings. Now simply on the left go to appearance section and now find icon and widget style. So we want to set it to clear, and if you click this option, your desktop widgets will be also clear. But keep in mind also your dock icons or app icons gonna be clear. If you want to, you can set it to dark clear, but it was like this before. If you want to change it back to default, simply choose this option and they are back like before, and also the app icons. If you are not satisfied with clear, you can change the color if you click tint, and down here click on the color and change the color you prefer. If you have any questions, leave a comment and also make sure to hit that like button. See you next time.